So daily, what's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy, and I am back at the doctor office here on this Monday. I got the same clothes on I had on yesterday because I didn't go nowhere yesterday. The only thing I did was go get the iPad, which I'm still waiting to come in the mail because they said they didn't have it. But we're at the doctor's office. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not able to bend my wrist all the way, so we're gonna see what they say. If I'll ever, I'm not gonna sit here and say I've been the most, like I've been on top of this, like trying to bend it and stuff. I've been working, boy. So we about to see what they say. And don't judge me because I got the same outfit on. I ain't do nothing. Oh, I got a different shirt on. I just got the same jacket on, the same pants. I ain't going nowhere, bro. You feel me? Don't act like y'all don't be doing that. If you want auction access, head on over to wehustledaily.com so you can get up under someone else's license. We got the Copart and IAA accounts just for $600. Now you won't be able to get your own account no more. They will bid for you, but you can buy up under their license to flip cars until you prove yourself. Because again, I told y'all the story why they not giving out their own accounts no more, like your own logins. And if you want my plug on the dealer auction access, so you can go to Mannheim, Odessa, dealer auctions. I got the plug on that. I'm charging $175 just for the plug. You guys don't have to join my academy if you don't want to. If you think you know how to flip cars already, shit, hit my DM on Instagram and I'll give you my plug for $175. If you want to know what everything entails, it comes with a dealer plate, everything. Head on over to whdacademy.com, click the platinum membership, and watch those 3 videos. And let me know if you're interested. Because if you hit me up on Instagram, all I'm gonna do is send you those 3 videos and tell you, hey, watch these 3 videos. If you're interested, let me know. So I don't got time to explain what each thing offers. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all gotta watch the videos. You feel me? So other than that, we're about to see what the doctors say, and that's it. Yeah, tap in whdacademy.com. You feel me? Or Instagram in the link in the description below. wehustledaily.co. All right, that's my Instagram. All these other Instagrams are fake. I don't know who they is. They impersonate me and everything. It's fake. But see y'all in a second.
All right, Hustle Nation, I'm happy to announce for those of you who are ready to start flipping cars, I can get you auction access within 24 to 48 hours. If you're ready to stop sitting on the sideline and you're ready to start flipping cars, head on over to whdacademy.com and pick the Platinum package. And for as low as $600, a one-time fee, you guys can have auction access to Copart and the insurance auto auction as a dealer representative under someone else's license. This allows you to go to any Copart or any insurance auto auction in the United States, and essentially you can start flipping cars within 24 to 48 hours. Don't worry, for those of you who want to attend dealer auctions like Mannheim and Odessa, dealer only auctions, I have something for you guys too. I can get you access to those auctions within 24 to 48 hours as well. Remember, the good thing about this service is that you're not putting the cars in your name when you resell them, meaning you can sell the cars under someone else's license without having to register them. For those of you who are not ready to start flipping cars and you just want to learn about the business, I also have a silver package and a bronze package available for you guys, while I teach you everything you need to know about this auction business. If this sounds like something you're interested in, head on over to whdacademy.com.
All right, y'all. So we got to come back in 2 months. Basically, she just told me you need to be doing your exercise so you can get your full range of motion. You ain't going to get your whole range of motion, which they told me in the beginning. I mean, I knew that, but you know, just make sure you keep doing your exercises. So I'm gonna be doing that a lot more now because basically I'm behind. I should not be this behind, basically. So, and I ain't been doing the right thing like I've been supposed to be doing anyway, man. I ain't gonna lie. But sorry about that, y'all. We in the CLS. I wanted to get the CLS planked up today, but hey, man, it's raining, so I don't even need that paper. Why did I tell them I need that paper? I don't even need it. But anyways, I'm gonna give me something to eat real quick. And that's it, man. Ain't nothing else going on with me. I will be giving y'all that. Damn, I was gonna use today to get this car straight. But yeah, I'm gonna start going back to the auction this week, as long as it ain't raining and I'm doing nothing crazy, man. Cause you know what I'm saying, I don't feel like that shit. the people, somebody was actually gonna come and get the Hyundai today, but it's raining now, so I don't even know if they gonna be coming. You feel me? But can't wait to start bringing y'all back that content. I can at least give y'all a couple of videos every week. You know what I'm saying? It won't be 7 days a week no more because I got other stuff going on now. But I will be on top of it. You will be seeing me, you know what I'm saying, often. And I will be giving y'all more game. Just trying to help more people out, man, so y'all can make y'all some money, you feel me? So y'all can flip y'all money, you know what I'm saying? And make some money. But other than that, man, I'm straight. I'm gonna get my windows tinted on the Honda one of these days. But other than that, I'm straight, man. I really don't even plan on buying I mean, I will buy myself something else. It just depends. It got to be better than this. I'll upgrade myself. But other than that, like, I'm not even in a rush. Like, I'm be honest with y'all. Like, I like cars, but like, I like money more. Like, I don't really be caring about like no motherfucking cars like that. You feel me? Like, I really don't. Like, I care about the cash money. You feel me? But it's nice to have something like the Benz and stuff like that. I definitely gonna keep me something like this from now on, just because it's nice to drive, man. Zoom, zoom, you feel me? I get the boom, boom. I get the boom, boom on the ass, man. Boom, boom on the ass, bro. You feel me? I would boom, boom on y'all right now, but I ain't gonna boom, boom on y'all right now. But anyway, I'll see y'all in a few. I'm gonna give me something to eat and all of that, and you know, we're gonna vlog a little bit more into this stuff too, just what I can. I mean, it's not like I do too much. I'm always working, you feel me? Anyway, so. But if y'all want auction access, tap in on my DM, guys, because I got y'all. I'm answering all questions. Oh, it's still breakfast time. I could probably get a McGriddle. A bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddle. Yeah, that's what I'm about to get, actually. What should I get? A chicken breakfast bowl from fucking Chick-fil-A. We'll figure it out. Alright, it's the next day, and I got me some food. And it's the next day. We already washed the Hyundai, and now we're about to clean up the Benz that I've been driving every single day. After today, man, I'm gonna give y'all we're going back with the auction content, so get y'all these gems, you know what I'm saying? Hook y'all up on these gems. You feel me? Let's go ahead and pay. Ooh. We want the cheap wash, single wash, $12. Pay with the credit card. Where the hell is my credit card? Here it is. Damn, I said pay with credit card, goddammit. There you go. It's completing sale now. I don't need no receipt. Alright, so we about to clean this thing up. I already showed y'all what this thing looking like, right? This thing dirty. This thing dirty as a mother sucker, man. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing cleaned all the way up. You feel me? It's been a long little time. I tried to go here the other day, but man, it was so many people. I was just like, you know what? Forget the car wash today, y'all. Get that shit. But it's the next day after I just got my wrist checked. The doctor told me, like I told y'all earlier, that hey man, you're a little behind. So I'm gonna start bending this mug back. So I gotta start bending my wrist, man. Then I gotta go home, put in a lot of work, man. Your boy be working, man. Tap in with me. Hit that DM on Instagram, wehustledaily.co. Hit my DM on Instagram, man. Putting y'all up on, y'all can get auction access. You feel me? You don't gotta join my academy. I don't know if I told y'all that because it's the next day now. You don't gotta join my academy if you don't want to. That's cool. Just make sure you tap in, and I can give you my plug for a fee. All right. Who the hell is that texting me? I don't know, but I'm gonna show y'all what this thing looking like on the inside and out. Y'all seen what it looked like the other day. But like I say, man, I'm gonna use this time, bro, to help you guys out, to put y'all on game. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can start making some money, guys. If you want to learn how to flip cars, just tap into that academy, bro. But if you want auction access, tap into the academy, or you can just hit me up in my DM. I got you, gang. I got you, gang. I'll see y'all in a minute. Let y'all see what this thing looking like. I still have not figured out how to turn them sirens and stuff off. I mean, those sensors, rather. Not those sirens. It's gonna keep making it. I don't know how to turn that stuff off. Y'all be using drive-through car washes. I be using the drive-through car washes, bro. Still, like, these mugs be cool, bro. I know some people, like my homie, he do not use the drive-through car wash, bro. He be like, man, I ain't about to take my shit through the car wash. I ain't never had no problem. Oh, well, you know, certain ones when you go drive the thing, you feel me? And then I did see something before, like, something fell off somebody's car and it fucked their window up or something like that. I just been blessed to not have no issues, bro, honestly. It actually ain't making as much noise that it used to make. But I'm gonna show y'all what this thing look like cleaned up. Vacuum this mug real quick. I don't know everybody ever sit in the back. You know, we kind of like a coupe anyway, so don't nobody ever sit back there. So let me go ahead and clean this thing up, and I'm gonna show y'all what this thing looking like in a second.
Hustle Nation, if you need a broker in order to buy a car off Copart or IAA and you do not have your dealer license, you can use eRepairables. You can sign up and buy cars for as low as $25, which is actually cheaper than making your own account at Copart or the insurance auto auction yourself. Or you can just pay $200 for the whole year and have an all-access bidding pass at these two auctions. And as you can see, they are in most states. Click the link in the description if you're interested.
I guess I just picked the wrong days to car wash, bro. Cause, man, this shit is packed jammed, bro. Jeez Louise, bro. All I want to do is wipe my wheels and vacuum the floor on each side. That's all I want to do, literally. All right, well, we just gotta wait. We can't do nothing else but wait, my friend. Alright, let me show y'all what's going on here. Park right here, it's cool. Alright, so like I say, man, after this video, we get back to the normal scheduled program. I ain't gonna lie, I had spit out the window. I wanna make sure that shit didn't get on the car. Well, I did alright job. It definitely needs some tire shine. But it's cool though. Cool though. You wanna bite the kid, it's cool though. Ooh, look at that. It's a nice little picture right there. How do I? There we go. Yeah. Clean, boy. Clean, boy. Yeah, man, that's all I need, dog. That's all I need right here. That's all I need right here. To that AMG GT go down, or that GLE truck go down. Other than that, we sticking with that 550. Clean, baby. Appreciate y'all tuning in and rocking with me, man. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. Like I said, I'm gonna start giving y'all a little bit more gems in these videos, man. I appreciate y'all. Love y'all for all y'all support, man. Y'all was there when I ain't have a motherfucking quarter. You feel me? And I appreciate y'all. You know what I'm talking about? So I'm definitely gonna be giving y'all some, you know, little gems in each video. You know what I'm saying? If y'all catch it, you catch it. If you don't, you don't. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you pay attention. Appreciate y'all though. Love y'all for all y'all support, and we dropping them bangers again, man. Love y'all. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. Let me go work out my wrists.
What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.